What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and I'm back with another video.
Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve it.
As you can see by the title, this video will be a little something different. I still got on my bonnet or whatever. But let's go get their hair. Today, we are going to be working with Yolissa hair. So, this is the hair, right? Put it right here. And in the bag, you will get, this scarf is pretty. You get scarves, you know, I'm going to pull them all out. All different types of scarves, you know, not scarves. Headbands, okay. Any solid color ones, you know, okay. Alright, no solid color ones. I love me some solid colors, y'all, because I'm a simple girl. And you get some lashes. I love receiving lashes, y'all, but these are all the headbands or scarves you want to say. Ooh, I never in my life ever got one of these from any company. But then again, I feel like I look weird with this stuff. Like, y'all, with these, I have got all of these clips and stuff from companies, but I feel like that stuff just looks so weird on me. Like, I feel like I don't know how to wear it. It's mad dust in the air now. But y'all, your girl, I'ma keep saying it, y'all. Your girl now done got her some 28 inches. 28, y'all see that? Okay, all right. Y'all see that? 28 inches. 28 inches. 20. Y'all, I never had 28 inches before in my life. This is the longest hair I've ever received. Ever received. Yeah, so like I was saying, 28 inches, y'all. They sent your girl 28 inches. I've never had 28 inches before. And for this to be 28 inches, this joint is thick, y'all. I've never done a headband wig before. So, y'all gonna walk with me through this video, right? Okay. So I guess this ties onto the back of your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. We're gonna do my edges, y'all. My only thing is, y'all, I have braids under this, right? People who do headband wigs, they usually just like push all their hair back. So I'm gonna have to see what I'm about to do. You guys know I used to use Blueberry Bliss, but I don't really see that in stores no more. So I'm gonna be using my Eco Style, you know, Eco Style holds it down. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just pull all these down. We're gonna make it some nice edges, y'all. Kind of look crazy right now, but don't say nothing. We gonna look good. And I got pineapple. This smells so good. I hope this doesn't look retarded, y'all. I swear to God, I want my first headband wig to look bomb. I've looked on videos on how people did their headband wigs, and they had their hair pushed back, so like it's gonna be easier for them because their hair was like in a ponytail or whatever. My hair is braided, so dang it, that hurt. So I'm just gonna keep just swooping my hair. Amari, if y'all hear a baby in the back, y'all already know that's my baby. I forgot how to do my natural edges, y'all. That look good, right? I guess. It look good, Amari? Yeah. Okay, just like that. Okay. And we gonna put some edges down here. We're gonna just swoop that back like that. And we want some edges down here, of course. So I'm gonna just comb that down and just swoop that like that. Getting somewhere, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side and come back because I'm not gonna be able to see. Now, y'all, I would have what you call it? I would have took these braids out, but listen, I have a lot of wigs to go through, and I'm not about to just take this wig out. I'm not about to just take my braids out for one video to put it back in. Y'all know my hair is a lot of work. Now, time to put this wig on, y'all. I guess this is how you adjust it, right? I'm about to make mine tight. You guys know I love my wigs tight. Oh wow, okay. I'm kind of nervous. I never did this before. My hair in a little bun in the back. It's a little something right there. And I guess I put this on my head, y'all. This is so new to me. So, I just, what do I do? I feel so lost. I just put it like that. Like this. Like that. Okay, so I'm guessing this is how you put it on. So I'm guessing this is how it go. Okay. And you just put it behind your ear. Okay. Just like so. And I'm going to just flip it over so I can click it. Okay. So, whew. So far, y'all, I'm loving this headband wig stuff. I look fire. I got my hang time. Now, the hair was choking me. Yolissa, I think I'm in love with headband wigs now. Honestly, y'all, your hair is done. I'm not gonna put no water to it. I love the way it looks like this, and I already know water will make it look even more fire. And this is 28 inches on your girl. Let me see. Never had 28 inches before, but now I can say I had 28 inches. And y'all, literally, your hair is done in like, how many minutes was that? Beside all the struggling I had to do. How much minutes was that? Like 2 minutes, y'all. Not even 2 minutes. It was like a minute. All you gotta do is click, bow, bang, and your wig is on. Y'all probably like, this girl's annoying. Now that my wig is on, we go try on the different... Who is blowing up my phone now? Oh my god, y'all. I think I lost one of my eyelashes. I'm trying a different bands for y'all. I'm gonna do like a little, you know, a little, what you call it? A little commercial break for y'all real quick. Then I'm gonna choose my favorite one and end up the video. It's probably gonna be this one. Well, I have one red right now, so. Oh wow. You guys enjoyed that little show I just gave you guys. Don't focus on my outfit. I know my dress don't match some of the headbands, but don't focus on that. It's not about my outfit, it's about the headbands, all right? Another thing about this hair, y'all, look, my hand goes right through. This is curly hair. Curly hair, you know your hand just goes right through. My hand literally runs right through the hair, y'all. This hair is bomb. Like I said, I didn't even add no water to it, and this hair is already fire. But Amari, let me finish. But this is the end of this video. Y'all go cop you a headband wig. I would highly, highly, highly suggest it, especially if you're someone who don't know how to install a wig. I mean, hey, this is really a beginner friendly wig, y'all, and I'm jacking it. I don't know who came up with this idea, but that was the best idea they can ever come up with. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like. Wait. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 100K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, swerving.